Robots gone wild? That is what a viral video seems to show. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where you can get my newsletter for free. It is some of the most disturbing video of a real robot gone awry. We're digging deeper to understand how this Unitary H1 humanoid robot suddenly malfunctions, flailing its arms and legs wildly, dangerously close to two humans nearby. Now, first of all, it's powerful enough to do damage if it wants to. This robot stands nearly 6 feet tall, weighs 104 pounds, and packs powerful motors capable of lifting heavy objects. That's a lot of force if things go wrong. But is this really a Terminator moment? Some say that the robot was tethered to a stand, confusing its balance sensors and making it think it was falling, so it triggered those wild movements. Others suggest a software glitch or a misfired command was the reason behind the incident. Now, without official word from Unitary, we're left to speculate. What does this mean for you? Well, as these robots become more common in public spaces, like the workplace, even minor malfunctions can feel very unsettling. Personally, I think this video is a wake-up call. We need clear safety protocols and transparency from robotics companies. So here's a question for you. If a robot this advanced can panic like we've seen in this video, are we really ready to share our world with autonomous machines? Let me know what you think in the comments below. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. If you're not already getting my free newsletter, you can get it there for free along with important security updates.